I can be what I want to be. If I work at it, I can be what I want to be. Be boys and girls.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Adam Matan. I work for an organization called Anti-Tribalism Movement. We wanted to contribute and make a society that is free from tribalism, where an opportunity is given to an individual based on their merit and their ability, not because of the clan that they belong to. So here in the UK we are running a scholarship program with SOAS. We are running the International Somali Awards. We are running a leadership training program, and also we are running a program called Open-Minded Debate, which brings members of the Somali community together every month to discuss some of the issues that the Somali community is facing. Our biggest achievements as an organization is bringing tribalism into a public domain, and as also engaging and encouraging Somali political elites not to use tribalism to divide communities. I have an image in my head which is beautiful. A society which is free from tribalism, which value individuals based on merit and ability rather than clan. And also the image has a combination of Mogadishu looking like New York and London, or even greater than that. The future goal hopefully is to see that picture that I just described becoming a reality.